Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone, where we bring you the latest and most exciting tech leaks, reviews, and insider information before anyone else. Today, we are diving deep into some of the most anticipated devices of 2026, the DJI Avata 360, DJI Osmo Pocket 4, and the Insta360 Luna. These are not just rumors anymore. Verified leaks, real-world footage, and insider reports are painting a clear picture of what creators can expect in the coming months. If you've been following drone and portable camera news closely, you know DJI has a consistent pattern. First, China, then global rollout. This strategy has worked for years, building hype and anticipation. And now, the Avata 360 looks ready to take that pattern to the next level. The first real confirmation came from a tiny 16-second clip inside the DJI goggles beta software. The video quality is almost laughably low at just 3232 pixels, but it clearly shows the battery insertion and activation process. It's a small detail, but it confirms one major thing. The Avata 360 isn't a concept. Early testers already have it in hand, and that means production is underway. Leaks are also coming from credible sources like Italian drone enthusiast Quadrain and other beta testers. This isn't a sketch or a mock-up, it's the real deal. Even the first official box image has been leaked, along with a side-by-side comparison with the DJI Avata 2. From what we can see, the Avata 360 is slightly larger than the 377-gram Avata 2, which hints at bigger battery capacity and perhaps more advanced features. Design-wise, DJI seems to be following a Cineiwoop-style frame for the Avata 360, but with full spherical propeller guards. This makes it much safer for indoor flying and allows creators to navigate tight spaces without fear of crashes. The drone uses 4-blade propellers instead of the 3-blade setup found on Avata 2, which likely improves stability and maneuverability. Its body comes in gray with clear DJI branding, giving it a professional, clean look that feels ready for serious work. But the real highlight is the camera system. The Avata 360 is rumored to support 8K recording at 60 frames per second with HDR panoramic capture. It also has a tiltable camera module and can switch to single-lens FPV mode, similar to the Avata 2. Essentially, this makes it a hybrid drone, combining FPV agility with 360-degree immersive recording, which is perfect for creators who want cinematic shots without compromise. On the safety front, early reports suggest 4 to 6 front obstacle sensors, though no rear sensors have been confirmed yet. This makes flying safer and gives beginners confidence while filming complex movements. Pricing leaks are also giving us a hint of what to expect. The base model of the Avata 360 is expected to cost $499 in the US, with China pricing at $2,988 yuan. A version with the RC2 controller could cost around $699 in the US and 3,988 yuan in China, while the FlyMore combo with 3 batteries, a charging hub, and a carrying case could reach $990 in the US and 5,688 yuan in China. Finally, a full bundle including the goggles N3 might cost around $1,200 globally. These prices seem fair, considering the advanced features and hybrid FPV and 360-degree functionality packed into a single compact device. For creators, filmmakers, and drone enthusiasts, this is a tool that could change the game entirely. While we wait for the Avata 360, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is also stepping into the spotlight. Unlike earlier leaks, which were blurry or grainy, this device has been captured in real-world hands. The first solid glimpse came from a DJI-authorized store in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, where a customer casually walked in holding the Pocket 4. A 33-second video captured by staff instantly spread across social media. The clip confirmed something crucial: the Pocket 4 is fully functional and production-ready. The vertical gimbal design remains compact, travel-friendly, and instantly recognizable. But DJI didn't stop there. Small refinements make a huge difference. The grip now features additional physical buttons, which allow for faster adjustments without interrupting the shooting process. A built-in adjustable LED light near the camera eliminates the need for external accessories while giving creators flexibility in low-light situations. One of the most intriguing leaks hints at a new shooting mode called Supero. Although details are limited, it suggests intelligent automatic enhancements HDR processing, noise reduction, and scene-specific adjustments. This could make filming polished, professional-looking content effortless. For vloggers, travelers, or casual creators, these upgrades remove barriers and streamline the creative workflow. Pricing leaks suggest the Pocket 4 will start around $549 to $649 for the standard model in the US, with higher-end bundles possibly reaching $699 to $799. Considering the portability, smart shooting modes, and practical upgrades, this seems like a strong value proposition. Then there's the Insta360 Luna, a camera that's generating buzz without even being fully revealed. Footage from early leaks shows impressive portrait shots with deep background separation. Even with the body blurred, the depth, background blur, and clarity hint at a powerful sensor and advanced image processing. Rumors suggest the Luna will offer 4K recording up to 240 FPS, 10-bit color, a 3-axis AI-powered gimbal, and a battery life of around 180 minutes with USB-C charging. It may also include a dual-processor setup, where one chip handles main image processing, while a pre-ISP chip cleans raw data first, reducing noise and balancing exposure automatically. Built-in AI tools could provide auto-tracking, fast editing, and smart stabilization, making content creation smoother than ever. Lens switching might allow a wide-angle primary camera to work with a secondary telephoto lens offering up to 3x optical zoom, all while still giving manual control. This shows DJI and Insta360 are focused on smart software combined with powerful hardware, prioritizing creators' needs in real-world scenarios.